Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing an updated twist out routine with the main choice Pearly Braid out glaze. This is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen it. This product's been out for a while. I have used this before, so it's not a first impression, but I actually really love this stuff. It feels so good, it smells so good, and I just wanted to show how I've been doing my latest twist outs. So I shampoo and condition my hair. I did not put a leave-in in my hair because I did a real vigorous deep conditioning routine. I used raw shea butter and I don't even think I got it all. So that's why I didn't put in a leave-in, because it was super moisturized at the beginning and there's no need to add more product than you need. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just adding the glaze to my part. I'm slipping it down like so. And this stuff, it gives me a little bit of a slip, which I like because my hair needs the slip. And in the front, when I'm doing my twists, I typically do them very small, only because I want a lot of definition in the front of my hair rather than the back. So I'm just taking that part and I'm just twisting it like so. And then twirling it at the ends. If there's any leftover product on there, I like to just kind of wipe it off, only because I'm scared that it's gonna dry white. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do this next part as well. So make sure you're doing even parts for your twist outs. Get the part as even as you can between the two separate pieces for the one twist. And then just start twisting. Now this stuff always defines my curls. It makes them pop so good. I can't tell if this is a gel or, you know, just some sort of cream. It feels like a gel, but it's super soft. It smells really good. But there is one con to it. I recommend when you're using this product to use it as your hair is wet. For me, most of my styles I use when they're, my stylers I use when they're mainly wet. But this product really needs the hydration because it starts to get a little sticky if it's not hydrated enough. So just be aware of that. Alright y'all, I am now done with my twists. I'm gonna go ahead and let them dry for about a day or so. I'm just gonna leave them until they're completely dry because that's when my twist outs come out the best. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like a couple days afterwards. I did band my hair the second night to give it a little bit of stretch. So now I also put oil on it last night, so I'm not going to put any extra oil. So now I'm just starting to untwist, and I kind of just start wherever. I feel like as my hair grows longer, I'm going to have to do it section by section, but for now, I just go wherever I want to go and start untwisting. And as of now, I'm just untwisting. I'm not separating them quite yet, just because sometimes I do miss twists. So after this, I just go all over my head and make sure I got them all. So this is what one side of my head is looking like. It's very defined and it's moving a lot. Like, I expected it to be a little bit stiff, but it's not at all. I'm loving it. So this is what my whole head is looking like. Flat as hell, but I am starting to separate them now and getting the twist that I missed. I separated as much as I wanted to, so now I'm just taking the pick and I'm picking under the curls only because when I pick it tends to frizz, so under the curls seems to be the best way to hide them. So this is what my hair is looking like after I picked it. It is a little bigger, which I like. I like that fullness, that shape. It is moving a lot, so this product gave me a lot of movement, a lot of definition, and the curls feel strong. Like, they just feel like they're gonna hold just right. And that's basically my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more, go ahead and like or subscribe to my channel. Y'all know I love seeing new people.